You've now been introduced to all the trigonometry ratios. You have down here, once again, you have tan A, which is opposite or adjacent, sin A, opposite or hypotenuse, and cos A, which is adjacent or hypotenuse. Plus you have the Pythagoras theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. From all these four things, you should be able to calculate any angle, any measurement, and any triangle. So this one, if I flip over the page, has already been done for you to calculate all the angles and all the sides. So just read it, get an idea how it works, and then once you've done that, well, then you can then try this equation on your own. So stop the tape and then try it, or you can watch how I do it. So here we go. We're going to find angles. So I got angle A, right angle, so that's 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 37 degrees. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 37 is equal to 53 degrees. So there's all my angles in this triangle without doing that major work. Now I'm going to find, let's see, C here, angle C. So by finding angle C, I see I have my hypotenuse. I know the angle is 53 degrees, and I want to find this over there, which is my opposite. So because I'm dealing with that, I'm going to do a sin A is equal to opposite over adjacent. Plug in what I know, so sin A now becomes 53 degrees. Opposite I do not know, and I know my hypotenuse is 9 degrees, so that should be my hypotenuse. So multiply both sides by 9 to get rid of the 9 on the denominator, cancels out. So now I get sin 53 degrees times 9 is equal to x. I can't use sin 53 degrees, so I have to convert that into a measurement. So using your calculator, that's very easy to do. You just plug in sin 53 equals 0.798. So I got 0.798 times 9 is equal to x. So I times that by 9, and I come up with 7.18 is equal to x. So that's what this angle is. I now have to find out this side. So I can do many things. I can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I can use tan. I can use sin, and I can use cos. So I'm going to use tan because tan seems to be the easiest. So tan A is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tan A is tan 37 degrees. My opposite I do not know, but I do know now my adjacent side from here was 7.18. So I want to get rid of that, so I'll multiply by one side, 7.18, and when I do the one side, I'm going to do the other side. Those cancel out, so now I'm left with tan 37 degrees times 7.18 is equal to x. I can't multiply that, I have to turn it into a measurement, so I use my calculator. Tan 37 is equal to 0.753 times 7.18 is equal to x times 7.18 is equal to x, and I come up with 5.41 is equal to x there. So this side is there, that side is there. Even though the measurements don't reflect the lengths of them, it's just practice, it's just how you do it. So stop the tape, take a look at your calendar, see what time you have to do.